Prep the ready room for approach. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
I wore my shirt real Halloween Friday.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety here, it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate green flight sequence on deck 3 for Pucara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Launch, we're loading up.
Pucara-bound personnel, this is your final call to board.
You gotta hold on to something.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative, the engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray.
Mark. Bom dia. Bella, prima.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shield.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump. They're all over us. Ahead.
Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star destroyers. enough. No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse.
Oh, okay. Lovely.
Squadrons in hangars 4 and 7 report to deck officer for assignment.
Two.
Single file, one behind the other.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry.
This line, you see the line? Right there, perfect.
Have a good day.
Thank you. What line?
Lieutenant Beckle Guardian. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You've arranged an infection lot breach.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Anyone packing a blaster? Now's a good time. The escape pod's deployed. Wait, why are you going up? I'm set down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped!
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
handling. Never mind. Okay. See you.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Okay, your door's stuck. Why is that always a thing? There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, your resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck?
Right.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Stafford's pocket. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Kingman personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod to the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last showed him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
So this is Platoon Resistance Command. Rescue teams are approaching all surrounding sectors.
Okay, hurry.
Roger that, Bravo.
They're coming in hot over Sector 5.
Got first one patrol on the ridge, Bravo.
I see him. We're hitting the tree line.
All teams, be advised. This deck is still unaccounted for. It's a priority recovery.
Sorry, we're on the move. That'll be all.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
We'll try to carry on. Goodbye. We know. Thanks for the tip, Jedi.
Oh.
Approach. Let's go. Hold on. It's all right, young one. We're just saying hello. Enjoy your day now. No.
Oh.